Hi guys, we'll be starting with a new lecture. In this lecture, I'll be talking about few of the modification tools which will be very useful for us. Start with the copy and paste. First, just select I need to copy this door. So select the door, click on copy, click on paste. Then you'll get another door where you would like to place. I need another door right here. I need it in the other direction. So yeah, the door is pasted. So, and if I need to cut this, so I don't need to go to cut here and I paste it somewhere else. I need it here, so I paste and again get this. So this is how cut, copy, paste. And if you do this whole model somewhere, just get simple. Click on get the shortcut there. So MB is the shortcut, and I need this on click on that and paste. This is how move works. This cut, copy works. If you need dimensions, then click on the linear dimensions here, then just select get the dimension here. This is how to get the permanent dimension. If you want just to measure the dimensions but temporary, then click on this, you'll get the dimension, temporary dimension. If you need to delete the dimension, click done, select the dimension. You only select the dimensions. This is very useful because in a bigger project, selecting each and one can be better. This